prizma.garcia, your San Diego County real estate agent, and today we're in the city of Escondido, California. Right behind me, we'll be touring 3302 Vista Rocosa. This home is located in the beautiful neighborhood of Lomas Serenas, has 4 beds, 3 baths, 3-car garage, sits on 0.45 acres, and is 2693 square feet. Now let's go take a look at this beautiful home. Thank you guys so much for sticking around for that tour. Now there's so many things to like about this house, and if you liked it for you and your family, please reach out to me. I'll put my contact information here, and we'll get you connected with a preferred lender so that you can make a move on this home. Now don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button so that you don't miss out on any future videos. Thank you. Bye guys.